If you're wondering how to change the time zone in Hostinger, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to update your WordPress site's time zone inside the Hostinger dashboard so your posts, scheduled content, and timestamps stay accurate. This is especially useful if your website is showing the wrong time, you're managing a business site, or you just want your WordPress settings to match your local region. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy hosting and WordPress tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Hostinger dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the section that shows your websites. Hostinger makes it pretty easy to manage everything from one place, so the goal here is to get into the WordPress admin area for the site you want to update. On the dashboard, click Websites and then choose WP Admin for the correct site. This will open your WordPress admin panel where the main site settings are located. Now that you're in WordPress, look at the left-hand menu and find Settings. Click on the settings and then select General. This is where WordPress keeps important site-wide options like your site title tagline, membership settings, and of course, your time zone. Once the General Settings page opens, scroll until you see the time zone option. When you reach the time zone setting, you'll usually see a drop-down menu or a field where you can choose the correct location. You can either pick a city that matches your region or select the time offset that fits your local time. The best option is usually choosing a city name because it automatically handles the correct time changes for your region. Take a moment to make sure the time zone you choose matches the area you want your website to follow. After selecting the correct time zone, don't forget the most important part: click Save Changes. This applies the update to your WordPress site. If you skip this step, the new time zone won't be saved, and your site may continue using the old setting. Once the changes are saved, your WordPress timestamps, scheduled posts, and related time-based features should now reflect the correct zone. If you want to double-check that everything worked, you can return to your posts or scheduling settings and confirm that the time displayed now matches your chosen time zone. This is a smart final check, especially if you publish content on a schedule or manage a site for clients in different regions. And that's it. You've successfully changed the time zone in Hostinger through WordPress. It only takes a minute once you know where to look. Hostinger dashboard, websites, WP admin, settings, general time zone, and save changes. Simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Hostinger, WordPress, and website management tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.